it's amazing, the subtle games that you are playing, and you don't even know I exist, but you have got me on your hit list. And you're
The Eiffel Tower, built for the Universal Exhibition of 1889 and not intended to be permanent. People called it monstrous, and many thought it would fall down. Gustave Eiffel, who built the tower, was also the structural engineer for the Statue of Liberty. The Eiffel Tower has 2.5 million rivets, 15,000 pieces of iron, more than 40 tons of paint, and 1,652 steps. The actual height of the Eiffel Tower is 984 feet, 300 meters, but it grows by 6 inches, 15 centimeters in the summer as the metal expands and then shrinks again when it's cool in the winter. Every 7 years, the Eiffel Tower is repainted again by hand. And now the Eiffel Tower
instead of giving into the frying. Survive when one just breaks, one slow suicide while one just takes and takes, one choice for the good of you, but not the one you make, but one worth dying for if you saw her shake. We can't feel the flow underneath our feet. Are you listening? We can't feel the flow underneath our feet. You are listening. We can't feel the flow underneath our feet. Are you listening? We can't feel the flow underneath our feet. That's my bad for you. Run through the fire, out the wire. I would sell everything I own. I'd swim the ocean, dance with the devil. I'd sell my soul to take you home. Run through the fire, out the wire. I would sell everything I own. I'd swim the ocean, dance with the devil. I'd sell my soul to take you home.
inside. There's a little swan right there.
Hey, it's amazing, the subtle games that you are playing, and you don't even know I exist, but you have got me on your hit list. And you're just bad, girl, you are sexual and bad, and now you got this on your conscience, because now I'm unresponsive. Run through the fire, out on the wire. I would sell everything I own. I'd swim the ocean, dance with the devil. I'd sell my soul to take you home. shots through my chest as you watch me bleed. Every kick, drum, hit is a symphony. Every brush of your curves is the air I breathe. You speak, I am listening. Sweat rolls, girl, you're glistening. Slow-mo, pull me into the light, the light. There are people watching us, wishing they were obvious, instead of giving into the fright, the fright. Survive when one just breaks. One slow suicide while one just takes and takes. One choice for the good of you, but not the one you make. One worth dying for if you saw her shake, shake, shake. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. I am listening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. You are glistening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. I am listening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. This might be it for you. Run through the fire. How I do I? How it's everything I own. I swim the ocean, dance with the devil. I'd sell my soul to take you home. Run through the fire. How I do I? How it's everything I own. I swim the ocean, dance with the devil. I'd sell my soul to take you home.
Some people, they use this as a picnic place. Especially
Hey, it's amazing the subtle games that you are playing. And you don't even know I exist, but you have got me on your hit list. And you're conspiring, girl, you are sexual and bad. And now you got this on your conscience, because now I'm unresponsive. Oh, but call your mama, tell her you love her. This might be it for you. Run through the fire, I'll walk the wire. I would sell everything I own. I'd swim the ocean, dance with the devil. I'd sell my soul to take you home. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. 5 shots through my chest as you watch me bleed. Every kick, drum, hit is a symphony. Every brush of your curves is the air I breathe. You speak, I am listening. Sweat rolls, girl, you're glistening. Slow-mo, pull me into the light, the light. There are people watching us, wishing they were obvious, instead of giving into the fright, the fright.